Gonorrhea. Introduction. Does every person that has a gonorrhea infection show symptoms? Select yes or no. Correct. Some people display no symptoms for several months. This makes it easy for gonorrhea to spread. If you have gonorrhea, it is important to inform your sexual partners and talk about getting treatment. Select true or false. Correct. You should inform your sexual partners about your gonorrhea. This can help them get the treatment they need early. It can also prevent more cases of gonorrhea. If left untreated, gonorrhea can prevent women from getting pregnant. Select true or false. Correct. Gonorrhea can cause infertility in both men and women. It is important to get treatment for gonorrhea right away. Can condoms prevent all cases of STIs like gonorrhea? Select yes or no. Correct. The only way to guarantee you won't get an STI is to abstain from sex entirely. Thank you for using Explain.